Today I'm making cranberry Bliss Bars, a Starbucks copycat recipe. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Powdered sugar, cream cheese, vanilla, baking powder, salt, butter, flour, cinnamon, eggs, dried cranberries, and white baking chips. 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 12 tablespoons of butter. Make sure your butter is extremely soft. Two room temperature eggs. One-fourth of a teaspoon of salt. One and a half teaspoons of baking powder. One-fourth of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and slowly add 2 1/4 cups of flour. Add in 1 cup of dried cranberries or craisins and 1 cup of white baking chips. By 9 foil-lined baking pan. Grease that liberally. Bake this for 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out of the center cleanly. Cool them in the pan for 5 minutes. Remove them to the baking rack. Cool for at least 2 hours. This is going to be the frosting for your Bliss Bars. 1 block of cream cheese that you've had sitting out for at least 90 minutes. Make sure that it is room temperature. Add a tablespoon of vanilla to that and blend until it's smooth. One cup of powdered sugar. Spread your frosting all over the top, and it will need to be refrigerated because of that cream cheese. Top it with raisins or your dried cranberries. Now this is a Starbucks copycat recipe. I've never had the real thing, but they were delicious. They are rich. So you're going to want to cut them into small pieces. They do freeze very well. It is a beautiful holiday treat with the bright red, but I can see eating these year round. I hope you will give these a try. Thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare. If you haven't already done so, please consider liking, and subscribing.